and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am bringing you guys another Walmart clearance find haul. I went to this store today and I actually wish I went there 2 days ago, but I'm kind of glad, you know, I still went. I was going to do my Ibotta haul, but I ended up not going because there's another Walmart in my town that I'm probably going to go to tomorrow. But I ended up wanting to check out their clearance because every store is different. Now, if you guys watched my haul from a couple days ago, I'm going to tell you everything was different because the clothes that I got at one store a couple days ago, they wanted $5 for them at this store, and at the other store I got them for $1. So every store is different. But I ended up, like, they had a bunch of stores at the entrance of the doors, and I like looked at them, and you know, I'm like, okay, nothing really that's pointing out at me. And then we went to their normal clearance aisle. I've noticed that a lot of Walmarts now have a specific clearance aisle, and everything was just kind of like empty. It wasn't full or anything, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna price check some stuff. So there's a lot of things in there, but we're trying to cut back on toys a lot, and I was just trying to find some stuff for gifts and stuff.
And you found my chocolate.
Yep, just one. And I'm just trying to find some stuff that I can get the kids for whenever. But the one thing that I was super excited for was this little tyke swing. Now, I got one for Ben years ago when he was a baby. I ended up getting it used. I think I paid like $5 or $10 for it, and I'm just like, whatever, you know, we got one. Well, what happened is Ben's almost 5 years old, and I've had that since he was a baby. And the strings on it went so bad that you can't even touch it without getting a sliver. So the husband's like, I'm just going to take it apart. We'll just get new rope for it. I says, yeah, that's fine. Well, guess what? I found this, you guys. This was originally $26.88. Now, I was reading the stickers on here because they have the dates when they printed this off. So today is the 15th. So 10 days ago, this was marked for $11. And it was originally $26.88. It was marked for $11. And I'm like, I'm just going to price scan this. And it came to $5. Now, the store, when I scanned it, it said it was out of stock. So a lot of these items that are super cheap are stuff that says it's out of stock, like their counts were wrong, so that's why they're marked down so cheap. So I price scanned it, and it was like $5. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I scanned this, it said $5, and then I scanned the regular UPC with the app. I made sure my location was on when I was on the Walgreens app, or the Walmart app. But I got this for $5, you guys. It's just, yeah, $5. I was so excited. I'm like, you know what? I don't care if my husband wants to replace the string on it. I think for $5, Miss Charlotte's like, oh, well, my mommy. But I think for $5, that is a great price. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got Miss Charlotte. She's just like, Mom, I just want to be with you at all times, 24/7, all the time. That's okay. But I just ended up getting a couple things. I didn't go like super crazy, but they did have a lot of stuff. It's just nothing that I really wanted to get or something that we didn't need because I am cutting back. But I saw this little thing. Now they had this for like $4, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, who would pay $4 for this? But then I price scanned it, and it was actually $2. It's a Little Tyke's My First Fidget Cube. It's for 6 months. I thought I could get this for her for Christmas. Like, she won't remember any of this. But it's got like a little grippy thing here. Here you got like little tinges. Here's something you can just kind of play with your finger. A little switch. And then here's like some kind of like buttons that you can push. And then here this goes around. So like this was just $2. I'm like, you know what? This will be something for her to kind of fidget with when she's a baby. So I thought, or she already is a baby, but when she gets a little bit older. So I thought for $2, I'll definitely do that. And then I just scanned these. These were originally $4.97. Ben loves bath bombs. Like, he just loves bath bombs. And so these were marked down for $2.50. Now, the price they had on here was printed on 8/1. So 15 days ago, they had this for $2.50, which I still think is an okay deal. You get 2 Shopkins in here. But they had this, I scanned it on my app, and they had it for $1. So I'm like, you know what, for $1, we'll grab them, because I usually like to pay $1 for bath bombs anyways. So I thought, and these are ones that actually don't put in the bath. These are ones you just kind of put in a bowl. But I'm like, you know what, for $1, we'll have them go through that. That'll give them some time. But yeah, that cube thing I got for $2, I think. It's, yeah, $2. So there's that. But yeah, Looks like I'm like, she scanned me for 3 of those fidget things. But that was all that I got at Walmart. It wasn't much, but I just wanted to show you guys another couple finds. Make sure you guys are shopping around. All that stuff I found in the main clearance aisle, but they are moving stuff around like crazy. So, and some of the stores are still bringing things out. It's like you kind of want to go back again and see what else they're giving you. But just wanted to share with you guys just my quick little Walmart haul of everything that I got. Not much, but I was pretty excited for the finds that I have found. But again, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys all another time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.